Can you speak louder?
Okay, Tanya. So listen carefully. We have completed many topics, right? So we need to begin with a new topic in today's class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. So the topic for today is degrees of comparison. What is it? Degree
Degrees of comparison.
Degrees of
Degrees of
comparison.
comparison. It has a connection with adjectives. Okay, it has a connection with adjectives. Before starting degrees of comparison, I should ask you a question. What
Excuse
are,
me, ma'am.
yes, you are.
Ma'am, here it is raining. Can you say loudly?
Yeah, as it's roaring like anything, we are here also heavy downpour. It's very difficult for here also. So okay, I little more louder. I'll talk a little more louder. Am I audible to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Okay. So listen, degrees of comparison. Okay. We are going to discuss about degrees of comparison. See, there is a connection between degrees of comparison and adjective. Okay. Adjective, adjectives are the describing words. It describes a noun, right? So
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is a connection between these adjectives and also this degrees of comparison. See, have you heard about the adjective of quality?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Dia is a smart girl. Okay, Dia, she is a smart girl. Okay, there the word smart
is quality.
Smart, it is a quality, right? I'm using the smart to qualify, to give a quality to the noun Dia, right?
Ma'am.
Okay, so when we compare, as the name starts, degrees of comparison, when we compare different things, to compare different things, we are actually taking different forms. We are changing the forms of these adjectives when we compare things. Listen, the adjective of quality changes its form when we compare one noun with the other noun. Let me repeat. If the adjective of quality changes its form, okay, adjectives take different forms when we are using the adjectives to compare one noun with another noun. Okay, this is called degrees of comparison. So we are using different methods or different forms of adjectives to compare. Okay, and based on this, we divided the degrees of comparison into three. There are three degrees of comparison. Listen, the first one is positive degree of comparison. Okay, all of you, please
And
mute.
superlative.
First of all, you listen. First of all of you listen to the class, okay? Let me write the points. There are three degrees of comparison. First one is positive degree of comparison. Second one is comparative. Look at the spelling. Comparative. All of you mute your mic.
Next is superlative.
Comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, there are three comparison. There are three degrees of comparison. One is positive degree. Second one is comparative degree. Third one is superlative degree. There are three degrees of comparison. Let me repeat the point. There are three degrees of comparison. The adjective takes three different forms when we are using to compare. Okay, the first one is positive degree. Okay, we are going to discuss about the positive degree of comparison. Even though it is actually we are using it for comparison, actually in positive degree, we are not at all comparing. Okay, we are not at all comparing using a positive degree. Listen kids, see, it takes or it refers to one person. Positive degree always refers to one person, one place, and there is no comparison made. Okay, see, she has a big house. Okay, imagine she has a big house. Am I comparing her house with any of your friends' house?
No.
I haven't compared, right? I have a long hair. I have a long hair. Look at my hair. I have a long hair. See, long hair. Am I comparing my hair with the hair of your friends?
No, ma'am.
Made
So
any
that is positive.
comparisons, right? I haven't made any comparisons. So
So that is
positive
positive.
degree
So
we are
that
not
is
using to
positive
compare.
degree.
See, look at here. Just imagine Ananta is the tallest. Okay, so I am going to say that Ananta Krishna is a tall boy. I don't know whether he is a tall boy or a short boy, a small boy, but I'm using Ananta
Ma'am.
Krishna is a tall boy. Who is the tallest in your class?
Alim. Alim. Richard. Alim.
I like the name Richard.
Richard.
I like the name Richard, so I am actually using Richard's name. Richard is a tall boy. Okay, Richard is a tall boy. Am I comparing Richard with me? No, I am
No,
not.
ma'am.
Am I comparing Richard with Angelina Jose?
No,
I am
no,
not.
ma'am.
Am I comparing Richard with Dia?
No,
I am
ma'am.
not.
No, ma'am.
Positive degree refers to one person, one object, or one thing, or one place. There is no comparison is made. And this is said the base form of adjective. In positive degree, we are not making any changes. That is called, the positive degree is also called the base form. We are using the base form of adjective. Smart, long, short, tall, large. We are not making any changes there, right? And no comparison is made. Okay, so such degrees are called positive degree of comparison. See, Gautam is a smart boy. Am I comparing Gautam with any of your friends?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Not at all. And look at here, Daniel is a brave boy. Look at him. He's very brave. He can walk at midnight, 12 o'clock. Right? Right? Are you a brave boy, Daniel? Daniel, are you a brave boy?
You can say.
Who can say? You can only say.
Ma'am,
Yes, I
he's a
am. You
shy
have
boy.
to say that. Yes, ma'am, I am. I am a brave boy. Okay. Alina is a beautiful girl. Anina is a beautiful girl. Okay. Anina is a beautiful girl. Am I comparing Anina with Snow White?
No, ma'am.
No. Am I comparing Anina with Cinderella?
No, ma'am.
By looking at her eyes, oh, she has gone out of video. She has gone out of video. Anina, come back.
Ma'am, I think she
Yes,
is
Anina, you look so smart. Okay, you are a very beautiful girl. So I am not making any comparison using positive degree. Clear? Is positive degree clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Is positive degree clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, let us discuss about comparative degree. See, usually teachers used to say to your parents that, see, teacher, or see, Mrs. Lena, your mother's name is, what is your mother's name? Okay, Ayman, tell me your mother's name.
Ma'am, my mother's name is Shabi.
Shabby. Okay. Sometimes if she comes for a short meeting with me, usually I used to say to her that, Shabby, please don't compare Ayman with Angelina Rose. Okay. Shabby, please don't compare Ayman with Angelina Rose. Have I made any comparison here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I have compared, right? Definitely,
Yeah, ma'am.
Ayman and
Yes, ma'am.
Angelina. I have compared Ayman with Angelina, right? There is
Yes, ma'am.
comparison
Yes, ma'am.
between
Yes,
two people, right?
Yes, ma'am.
A comparison
Yes,
is
ma'am.
made between two people. Okay, comparative degree of comparison. We are actually referring. It is said to be the greater degree of comparison. What degree? Greater degree. Comparing with positive, this comparative degree is a greater degree of comparison. And we are using this comparative degree to compare two people, two things, not more than two. Not more than two. It is a must to. We are using a comparative degree to compare two persons, two people, okay, two place, two objects, two things. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have, let me search for a girl with short hair. Okay, I have searching for a girl. Angelina Rose is here. She has a long hair. Okay, okay, searching for Ammu J. Malik. Show your hair. Ammu, can you show your hair? Yes, of course. See, look at Ammu J. Malikal's hair and my hair. My hair is longer than Ammu. See, my hair is longer. Okay, I am changing the adjective by adding er. Along with er, I am just adding another word called than. Listen, so my hair is longer than Ammu. So the comparison is made between me and Ammu. Correct? Correct,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
hair. See, Ammu,
Yes, ma'am.
there is a
Yes,
competition between me and you. Okay, there is a very smart competition. So eat something good and tell your mama to grow your hair like mine. Okay, my hair is longer than Ammu. Okay. Okay, so the comparison is made between two people, right? The comparison is made between two people. Here, Anjuma and Ammu Maliyakal, Ammu J. Maliyakal. So two people, right? So we are using ER by changing adjective from the base form. With the base form, we are adding one ER at the end of the adjective. Along with ER, we are adding another word called than. Okay? So, comparative degree, we are using to compare two persons. The first one, no comparison is made. Okay? Devak Menon is a smart boy. Devak Menon, he is a smart boy. So, smart, no comparison. He is smart. No other words to say, no comparison is made. But here, my case and Ammu's case, I have told you, my hair is longer than Ammu's hair. Okay, now my hair, Ammu is here and Diya is here. Okay, now we are going to learn. So how many people are there in front of you? Me, myself, Ammu and Diya. Three persons are here, right? Three persons are here. All of you. Ammu, please show your hair once again. Ammu? Yes. Yeah, I have Angelina, you have a very short hair. Okay. Now I have Diya. See, look at my hair. My hair is the longest. Okay. My hair is the longest. The longest. Okay. Out of the persons whose hair is the longest, my hair is the longest. See the length of my hair. Challenge. I challenge Diya and I challenge Ammu J. Malikan and all the girls and boys of your class. Take this challenge positively. Let us grow our hair. Okay, so please listen. We are using the third degree of comparison.
Yes, ma'am.
Superlative degree of comparison. What is it? Superlative degree of comparison. So their superlative degree we are using to compare more than two persons, more than two things, more than two objects. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Not two. Not two. The comparative degree, it is only possible between two persons. But superlative, we have to when we are using it. More than two. We have to use superlative degree to compare more than two persons. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Am I clear, kids?
Ma'am.
And the most important point I have told you, in comparative degree, is take a form of er and than, right? Larger than, smaller than, shorter than, duller than. There are many er words, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Luckier than. Larger than. These are the few examples. So along with er, by changing the adjective, the base form into er form, and I added than in comparative degree. But in superlative degree, it is a must to use the definite article the. The, and at the end of the adjective, we must change the word into est form. The strongest, the smartest, the largest, The is a must. Okay, the is a must in superlative degree. So these are the 3 degrees of comparison that we are using to compare. So positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree, no comparison is made. Comparative degree, we are comparing 2 persons or 2 objects. And don't ever forget adjectives er plus than, okay, in comparative. Okay, and in the last one, superlative degree, we are using to compare more than 2 persons, more than 2 objects, more than 2 things. Okay, more than 2. It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be a group, it can be many. Okay, a cluster, a group.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, out of that, the best. Out of that, the best. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me share a
Yes,
screen for
ma'am.
you. Let me share a screen for you. Degrees. Some, yes.
Ma'am, why we are using in superlative in some words, or example dangerous, superlative is most dangerous.
It comes. I am going to give you an explanation. I'm not going to give you for
Ma'am,
that. You just register this question. I have an answer to give you. I have an answer to give you. When I teach you the irregular forms of comparatives and superlatives, I'll answer to this question. Okay, definitely I'll be answering to this question. So let me
Okay,
solve
ma'am.
the first 3 steps now. Okay, who
Okay,
asked
ma'am.
this question to me?
Richard.
Richard, you please keep this question in a paper, write this question in a paper and remind me when I'm explaining further, the further explanation comes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
There is an answer for you. There is an answer for you. We'll be discussing one by one. There are a lot of rules to learn about this more and most. Okay? We'll be learning in the coming classes. So let me share a screen for you to give you an idea of 3 degrees of comparison. Okay? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
So degrees of comparison, we are using or we are changing the forms of adjectives and it is used to compare. Based on this, we have divided the degrees of comparison into 3 forms. Positive degree. Look at the spelling of comparative. It is a must to remember the spelling. Comparative. Comparative and superlative. Am I clear? So let's
Yes,
come back to the positive degree. Look at here, kids. Positive degree. You can see a beautiful girl. See, she is a beautiful girl. Am I comparing this beautiful girl with me?
No.
No.
Am I comparing this beautiful girl with
No.
you?
No.
No. Am I comparing this wonderful, beautiful, pretty lady with anyone?
No, ma'am.
No comparison
ma'am.
is made. Than that, I'm simply using an adjective beautiful. She is a beautiful girl. Nice girl, right? Very beautiful. I liked this picture very much when I was searching in the internet. That is why I downloaded and I kept it with me. Look at here, positive degree. It is used when no comparison is made at all. So we are not comparing using positive degree. No comparison is made at all. So the examples, he is tall. Am I comparing that boy with anyone? No one. She is good. I'm not comparing that girl. Okay, the flower is beautiful. I am not at all comparing the flower with rose, lily, jasmine, whatever it is. I'm not comparing that flower which is actually in front of me. That was a very wonderful flower. Okay, I'm not comparing. It is standing alone. See, look at here the example. John's car is fast. After riding for a long distance, I understood that car is very fast. I'm not comparing it with my car. I'm not comparing it with Adinada's Nayar's car. I'm not comparing it with Anantesh's car. I'm not comparing it with Gautam's car. Right? It's his car. John's car is fast. It's a pure statement. Okay? And a lion is as dangerous as a tiger. He is as dangerous. So as dangerous as between that as comes, that is also in positive degree. I'm not comparing the lion with the tiger. Okay, I'm not comparing the lion with the tiger. Okay, so look at here. Einstein, you know, Einstein, you are familiar with the name Einstein, right? Right? Albert Einstein, a scientist.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Einstein is as famous as Darwin.
Yes, ma'am.
You know Darwin, right? You are familiar with Darwin also, the scientist? Charles Darwin. Okay, okay. So as famous as, see, in between you can see dangerous, famous. I have not made any changes by adding ER, and then I'm not made any changes in dangerous by adding EST and the, isn't it? So it is in positive degree. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? So let us move on to the next slide, comparative. Okay, comparative. Look at the board. You can see two brothers, younger and elder one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first one, the small one, the younger one is Master John, and the tall one is Master Jack. Okay, John and Jack are here in front of you.
Excuse me,
How many
ma'am.
boys are there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, excused. Tell me who.
Ma'am, someone is talking and I cannot hear you.
Wait. Let me check who is talking. Ammo, muted. Ammo is muted. Everybody muted. No one is unmuted. Okay, fine. Now it's okay. I think it's clear. So all of you please mute your mic and look at the board. I'm going to give you a picture. I'm going to show you a picture. This boys, two boys are standing. I can call this younger one Jack and the elder one John. Okay. So Jack is smaller than John and John is taller than Jack. Okay. So the comparison is made between two boys, right? I'm not comparing with a group. I'm not actually simply saying that this boy is tall. Than that, I'm comparing the younger one with the elder one. Am I clear? So here you can see
Yes,
he
ma'am.
is taller than me. There the comparison is between two persons. And you can see the adjective ending with the ER and I added than in the sentence. See, this makes you understand a comparative degree. See, it is very important. You please don't make a comparison more than two persons using comparative degree. It is used when two persons or things are compared. See, look at here. John's car is faster than Roy's. Here the comparison is made between John and Roy's cars, right? So John's
Yes, ma'am.
car is faster than Roy's. Okay, John's car is faster than Roy's. So Roy's car is slower than John's, right? Then the comparison is made between two. George is taller than Martha. Taller, ending with ER and I added THAN than there. Taller than Martha. Miss Filda is older than Miss Laya. Look at the board. Miss Filda is older than Miss Laya. Am I clear? Older, O-L-D-E-R. The adjective old, old lady changed into older than. So please don't forget to use, please don't ever forget to write than. Okay, Miss Filda is older than Miss Laya. Am I clear? So remember the pictures of these two smart boys. They are playing with some kind of toys. So one is smaller than the other one. The other one is taller than the small one. Okay? Okay? So now look at the third slide. We discussed about the superlative degrees, right? We discussed about the superlative degrees. I have told you here superlatives are used to compare more than two persons. Okay, we are using the superlative degrees to compare more than two persons. It is not between two persons. See, you can see the picture of the trees, right? 3 trees. Can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so look at here. 3 trees are here given. Small one, and the second one is taller than the first one. And see, the last one is the tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Tall is the tree. The first tree is a tall tree. This is a tall tree. Positive. Second tree is taller than the first tree. Comparative, because two trees are compared. Out of these three, if I am making a comparison, I have to use the third one is the tallest. The tallest. See, the article must be used before the superlative, which help you to identify the superlative degree. Okay, the tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Okay, small, smaller, smallest. Large, larger, largest. Look at here. He is the tallest in the school. There are 100 boys. Out of these 100 boys, Adinath is the tallest. The tallest. Okay, so I am comparing Adinath 5A with 100 boys of our Dr. Raju Davis International School. See, he is the tallest. Okay, the tallest. Look at the second one. She is the best among us. She is the best among us. We have many students here. Let me name one person. Let me see. She is. I want a girl. No girls? Okay, Angelina, there is no other girls, I think. Okay, Angelina, she is the best among us. Harsha Krishnan, another girl. Harsha Krishnan, she is the best. There are 100 girls or 2,000 girls in our school. Okay, there are 2,000 girls. Out of this 2,000 girls, this Harsha or Angelina or whoever it is the best. So I am not comparing with a small group. I can even compare with a large group. Okay. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. So children, how many planets are there in our solar system then?
8.
I was a student of 5th standard. I learned there are 9 planets. Now,
Ma'am, before 2006, Pluto was not a dwarf planet.
Pluto is removed from the 9 planet.
Ma'am, it is a dwarf planet.
It is a dwarf planet and still the studies are going on about Pluto's, right, atmosphere and all. So now there are 8 planets. Okay. How many planets are there? There are 8 planets. 8 is the Jupiter is the
biggest
planet. 8 planets. Jupiter is the biggest.
Mercury.
Okay, smallest one is
the
Mercury.
coldest
Okay, fine. Thank you for the kind information. You are all well versed in social studies. Thank you. Thank you. So teach me social science in between. You are learning all these contents. So my dear children, please be alert. Okay?
Teach me, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any doubt to ask?
Yes,
Relative, comparative, and positive. General. There is a question still with somebody asked me about more and more.
Richard.
Be giving. Richard. Okay, Richard. Let the question be there with you. I'll be solving this issue because we have only 2 minutes to wind up my session. So I'll be explaining this in the next class when we discuss about a few rules. To be by hearted before you are changing a comparative and the adjective into comparative and into superlative. So we are going to learn these rules in the coming classes. So Richard, remember to ask me the same question then. Okay, Richard? Next class.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
In the next class because we need to learn a lot of rules then. Okay? More and most. She is more beautiful and most beautiful. More beautiful, most beautiful. More useful, most useful. Where we should use this? The question. Okay, so I'll be explaining this question in the next class. I have to explain 6 rules. So out of this 6 rules, one is this rule. So I'll be explaining this to you. Thank you. Thank you. Have you enjoyed the class?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.